Sorry about the tardiness. I'm going to have to clear back some of the wild tambourine that you're seeing in between. But it has been 2 weeks since I last updated my program, my series, and this is the series on plum, and this is the yellow plum. Let's see, sorry, right across there, some are beginning to yellow, and let me zoom in. Right there on the lower branches, you could see some that has yellow ring coming on there, and the leaves are plush at this time. Yep. So let me give you another bird eye view of our plum in full bloom.